Hello, guys. We are here once again and with the same topic related to tenses and related to sentence structure. And it's day 13 of 90 days challenge.
13?
30. It's the
30th.
30.
Okay.
It's the 30th of 90 days challenge. And let's see what happened in this video and how can
What
I make
happened?
proper sentence in this video. And you ask me verbs.
Okay, so we are back with the same topic. We'll continue the same practice, which is I'll give him a few verbs and he has to make sentences in present, past, and future. Okay, so this is the practice that you can also do with us that would help you improve your sentence structure and would help you practice your tenses too without putting extra effort in grammatical patterns. Okay, so the first verb for you today is visit.
Visit. Mostly foreigners visit Vrindavan. Yes, because Vrindavan is very spirituality, and that place is very worshipness.
Spiritual, that is
Spiritual.
spiritual
That is-
and very famous, eminent place, we can say.
Yes, so
Yeah.
that's why Indians visit there, and there are so many foreigners visit there that place.
Okay, so every year, millions of foreigners visit Vrindavan as it is a spiritual place.
Okay.
So you can tell every year. Okay. Yeah. Now using visit, make a sentence in past.
Okay. Last year I visited Dehradun, and because I visited Dehradun, and we went there. We went there because of meeting purpose, and we visited some other places like waterfalls, and some other dam, some others mountains, and some others
Others
popular,
some other.
popular Jew.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
I
you
visited
visited various places
various
when you
places.
went to Dehradun with your friends.
Yes.
Okay. Now try making a sentence in future tense.
Okay. In my upcoming days, in my upcoming month, I will visit.
In my upcoming month or in the next month?
In the next month, in the next 1 to 2 month, I will visit. I will visit to some mountains place likewise Manali, likewise Shimla. So I went to visit.
When? I will visit.
I will visit. Yes.
So visit to, we don't say, we go to, we use a preposition here, but I'll visit XYZ place, or I'll visit Manali, I'll visit, like simply we don't use any preposition here. Okay. Yeah. The next one is attend.
Attend. Okay. Everyone attend daily routine.
Everyone follows their daily routine, not
follow,
attend.
yeah, also attend. Attend is like any party, you know. Yeah.
You attend wedding ceremonies these days, that you can say.
Sometimes I attend wedding ceremonies and other parties like birthday parties, and I attend these
Or you
type
can
of
say
parties.
I attend sessions, or I, like this also you can say a meeting session. There also you can use attend.
Yeah, I know everything, but right now my mind not recalling these words, I think.
My mind doesn't recall things.
Yeah.
With the negative, people make this mistake often, that they simply go, I not know, or my mind not know, or my mind not recalling. But always remember that with negative sentences, we go with did not, does not, do not simply not. And then, okay, so using attend, attend second form, like I want you to make a sentence using past tense.
Okay. Yesterday I attended a session with Radha.
Okay.
and that session is, I think, really amazing for me, and I think it's amazing for me and really great moment for me.
Okay. So I think you created a thumbnail also for her
Yes,
channel.
yes. I
So
created
guys,
a
if you
thumbnail.
want a service for thumbnail, you can reach out to him. Okay, so using future tense.
Future tense. Future tense. Hmm. Uh, Tomorrow I will attend
Hmm.
a wedding ceremony
Hmm.
at our village.
Hmm.
Yes.
So you could have said tomorrow we will attend a wedding ceremony. Or
You will go,
yeah, I will attend. Always I.
but mostly you don't go any
But I
village
told
ceremony, I
you. But
think.
I told you that tomorrow I'll attend
Okay, I
the
forget
wedding.
it.
Okay. So the next one is watch.
Watch. Okay. Mhm.
I didn't
Watch.
ask you to
Watch.
sing this song.
We already complete this topic, I think. Watch.
No.
Okay. Daily basis, I watch English conversation and English podcast related to mind improvement, related to communication, how to make good communication with each and every person. So I watch this type of conversation and podcast.
Okay. Any sentence using past tense?
Watched. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Yesterday I watched multiple type of reels related to UK Rider. As you know, UK Rider stories, and I watched him. And yes,
Okay.
you don't know UK
I
Rider.
know.
So
Recently I got to know.
why you reacting this type, like you don't know?
I know, I got to know recently. I didn't know earlier. Like after his incident and all, then people, many famous and great and big YouTubers have created videos related to the incident that took place recently. Then I watched them. Then I got to know about him. Earlier, I didn't know about him. Okay. So future, using future tense.
Future. Hmm. I will watch
Hmm.
some English movie.
Hmm.
Hmm. Some English movie.
Some English movies.
Movies.
Some means you are talking about a few. Okay, so some English movies you will watch. So try adding like at the weekend I am planning to watch a movie. So I'll maybe watch any web series or any related to anything particular. If you have like mysterious or anything that is recommended by your friends or you got as a recommendation on YouTube, maybe somebody recommended in the short video where you found very interesting and you found that okay, the person was mentioning that the language is very good they used and you would learn from it. So use at the weekend I will watch a movie related to this and that, so it would help you to use at the weekend like that. Okay.
Hmm.
So or you can talk about I or we, my friends and I are planning to watch a movie. So maybe at the weekend or next month, we will go to watch a movie or we will watch a movie together. Okay. The next one is right.
Right.
Right. Hmm.
Okay. Hmm. Everyone writes. Everyone writes our journaling. Everyone writes journaling.
Journaling, no, everyone writes journals
Journal, because they improve a lot, and
because they help them improve a lot.
yes. So that's why they write journal.
Journals, okay, but not everyone writes. Do you write? No. Do I write? No. So not everyone writes. It's like a few people have the habit of writing journals. So they follow a routine to write a journal in the morning, that you can say. A few people have the habit to write a journal in the morning.
Okay, I can say I write one day one vocabulary every day. So it's okay.
Hmm. Yeah, every day I write one word in my diary.
In my diary.
Because here you use the word I write a word in my diary.
Mhm.
Okay, using past tense.
Written.
Wrote.
Wrote. Wrote. Hmm. Wrote. Wrote भी क्या बताऊँ मैं?
I wrote a story yesterday. Or you wrote maybe some idioms, or you wrote subtitles while editing
Yeah.
videos.
Yesterday.
Anything.
Yesterday I watched English podcast, and in this podcast some main points I wrote on my notebook, and I write down.
I wrote or write down. Okay.
Oh, and so I think it's very helpful for me.
No, write down is
Improvement.
not fine. It's you have to use it in past tense. I wrote down.
I wrote down. Yes.
Okay.
Hmm.
So you found a few informative points that you noted down in your diary. So I wrote a few important points while watching the podcast. So
Podcast.
use the word of while is also essential. So you can say क्योंकि किसी काम को करते हुए आप वो कर रहे थे तो while watching the podcast or while watching the video I wrote down a few informative points and a few things that was great that you can say. Okay, so in future tense.
Future tense. I am planning to. I am planning in my future. I am planning in my future. I will write my journal. I will maintain my journaling.
Okay. So in future, I will write journal. Okay, great. That's your planning. Next one is read.
Read. Every day I read a book related to English improvement early morning.
Repeat it.
Every day I read a book for my English improvement.
Okay.
Yes.
Using past tense.
Read. Yesterday I read a book related to family stories. These stories written by Sudhamurthy.
Okay. Using future tense.
Sentence. Okay. In my future, in my future, I will definitely read novels and spiritual books.
Spiritual. Okay.
Spiritual books.
I
will read.
In future, you will read.
I will read some novels and some spiritual book.
Spiritual books. Okay.
Yeah.
Great. Okay. So next one is the last one is talk.
Talk. Right now, I am talking to you.
That's a continuous sentence. I am talking to you. I want you to make in simple present.
Okay. I talk every day with strangers and beginners who improve English.
Okay. And using past tense.
Past tense. Talked. Yeah, yesterday I talked a person who is on our family, in our family, and we were talking about German language and something related to his career.
Who's that?
Dipesh.
Who is Dipesh?
Wow, who is Dipesh? You don't know Dipesh? Dipesh Nitesh? No, you don't know.
Okay. I know his nickname, that is Deepu, right?
Yes.
So I didn't know the full name. Okay. Why did he ask you about German language?
Because he wants to learn
He
German.
wants to learn.
Yes.
Okay.
And he wants to go there.
He wants to go there.
He wants to go there.
ये मैंने मिस्टेक देखो पहले भी बताई है सिंगुलर्स के साथ में SES यूज होता है वर्ब में he wants to learn, he wants to go. Repeat the same sentences so you can overcome the mistake. Okay, using future tense with talk.
Okay, right now I am improving my English because of good communication and my plans. I will talk in. I will talk anyone with who wants to create something new in business. So then I talk with him in English and I easily communicate with him. So that's why uh, I talk.
You will talk
Yeah,
to
I will
them,
talk
so you
them.
will be comfortable, and you will feel natural while speaking English, so you can easily convey and describe everything in English. That is why
Hmm.
you are improving your English. Okay, great. So we have completed 6 verbs, and this is the same for you guys. That if you are a beginner, just do the practice. It's a little longer video today, I think. Yeah, you can wind this up right here.
We will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care, guys.